What's up, guys? Your boy Umar Khan. Today I have an update video on CRO coin, reasons why it's having another bullish run, and is Crypto.com going to be listed live on the public exchange similarly to Coinbase? So first things first, let's jump into that rumor, that big statement. You know, we saw Crypto.com post an hour ago on Twitter saying Coinbase IPO will be a reference for Crypto.com's own valuation as a first publicly traded comparable. Coinbase has 5 times more users than us, but we are growing faster and aim to close the gap between the next 18 to 24 months. Mark Zalek said. I butchered that name so bad. I'm so sorry, dude. Guys, this is gonna be crazy because if you guys don't understand, I'll break it down to more layman's terms. When a company is going to be publicly listed, Coinbase obviously didn't have any hardcore comparables, so they kind of had to, the market had to decide the value. Obviously, there's more determining factors. There's like experts analysis that break it all down. But now Coinbase essentially has done the first step in the crypto scene, in the crypto exchange scene. Now, when Crypto.com and Binance and Kraken and all these other exchanges come to follow, they have Coinbase to follow off if they're similar in size. Now, what Crypto.com is saying is that Coinbase has 5 times more users, but they are growing faster and aim to close that gap within the next 18 to 24 months. So that means is they're stating that in the next 18 to 24 months, they will have the equal amount of users to Coinbase, saying they will be able to value the same as Coinbase and get onto a new IPO, a public listing, which is going to be pretty freaking insane. At first, when I heard that Coinbase is going to be listed as an IPO, I'm like, oh, this is going to be massive. Because if you guys watch my live stream with Kahoob, we're talking about how big this is going to be for Coinbase and how big it's going to be for investors, because Coinbase is arguably one of the biggest trusted crypto exchange platforms. You know, Binance come in hand second place, or you know, some people probably put Binance first, but Coinbase is one of those platforms that people love and they used for years on years. So the fact that they were able to do it first, we're definitely going to see competition follow. We'll definitely see Crypto.com and definitely Binance and most likely Kraken as well on the mix. And I'm leaving the other crypto exchanges aside like Whitebit and Bitmart, but they may follow as well. Okay, so that's the news side. Today, it's something I don't usually do, is we're going to go into the technical side, okay? So forgive me, I'm not the most technical. I'm still learning the technical aspect of reading charts, as you guys may see, but I saw, you know what, shout out to my buddy Crypto King Kaiken. He was actually talking about this upside down head and shoulders pattern. And you know, when I was going through stocks, we would always, you know, follow patterns to kind of see what's going on. So essentially, an upside down pattern is an indication of a bull market. So you see 2 dips usually the same size, and then obviously the head being the largest of the sides. Okay, so when we go over here on their chart, and let me just grab a pen tool. Okay, so we see the first shoulder being there, the head being there, and the shoulder being there. And the crazy thing is, guys, is like this chart shows, it follows exactly hitting the target price. And literally, guys, couldn't have predicted it any better. It just literally followed that perfectly. We're probably going to see this run up and break this resistance up here at that 24-cent mark and break our target to getting to the next level, getting to that 25-cent mark. It's very cool. I only wish I was able to come out with this video sooner, but now that I'm learning the technical side, guys, we're going to start to get a little bit more technical in the videos. I'll try my best to keep it entertaining and light, because I know sometimes even when I watch these technical videos, it gets a little overwhelming. It gets a little, I don't want to say boring, but for better or worse terms, not that fun to watch. However, I'll try my best to make it engaging, because guys, look, I saw the same thing with Tesla a couple months back, is when it follows these patterns, we know, like, you know, these patterns, it's not a guarantee, but I think the likelihood of this is like an 80% chance, okay? And now we're seeing, you know, it followed that perfectly, and it's just on that line to break that new resistance. So when people are commenting on the videos going like, hey dude, did you forget about CRO? What's happening with CRO? CRO is crashing. No, we didn't forget about CRO. We actually dedicated a whole live and talked a majority of the live on CRO. So that's not something I have forgotten. If you're new to the channel, I love if you can subscribe. We cover CRO and other altcoins and other gems, community coins, safe coin, value coins, whatever crypto you guys want to watch, I cover. So if you want to watch some content like that, do make sure you subscribe. I post anywhere from like 2 to 6 videos a day, so it's a real hustle, it's a real grind. I really appreciate if you can subscribe. Makes my day, makes my step one step closer to becoming a full-time YouTuber. All right, trying to quit that day job, you know what I mean? All right, guys, that's basically it for this video. Let me know, are you guys getting into CRO? I probably wouldn't recommend it, even though I love CRO, guys, and if you get in, it's gonna help me out. I'm honestly seeing it. We will see a pullback, and I don't want you guys to lose your money. However, I don't want to be a negative guy, so I mean, like, do what the hell you're gonna do with your money. That's your money. I'm not a financial advisor, but I personally wouldn't add more money in. If we were gonna look at the charts, guys, and we're gonna find patterns, the best time would have been, obviously the head, you wouldn't know if it's a pattern yet, but seeing that shoulder and seeing that rise right there, this would have been the best entry point. You might be able to still enter here and ride out a couple of pennies, and guys, 23 cents to 25 cents, 2 cents a penny, depending on how many coins you buy, could be a pretty profitable trade. And guys, in my case, I'm bullish on CRO. I know we just closed off the video, but I'm bullish on CRO. I see CRO hitting $1, right? And far beyond $1. In the next 8 years, this could be very similarly trading to Binance. So in my case, even getting in now, it wouldn't matter in the long run. But I mean, if you're trying to make a quick profit, now is not the best time to buy. If you're in it to win it, go ahead, do what you gotta do, all right? It's not financial advice. It's your boy Umar. That's it for this video. Peace.